Hear what I say?
Yeah.
Them I wanna use it. You go fitters,
Yeah.
meat kind,
Yeah.
boil and drink creams with blood.
Yeah.
Pimenta powder, any coal and gas take you up. You don't need to get no angels or nothing visible boy. Very.
Hey guys, well let's here again. I'm back. I'm back at the market. This time the sub market. Yes, you asked for it. Had a captivating walkthrough, talking to some interesting people, some wonderful personalities, and I'm gonna share that with you right now. If you're not yet subscribed to my channel, though, I invite you to hit that subscribe button, tap the bell notification. I do a lot of videos capturing stuff like these, all the real Jamaican. I don't want you to miss any of that. So hit that subscribe button and tap the bell notification. That way you see updated on all my latest videos. Let's go! Alright, Miss Paulette, how you doing?
I'm fine.
What do you have here?
I've Crotchet, cow skin, cow head,
Go ahead.
and cow tongue.
Alright, well let me see the cow head, I'm curious.
Sit here.
How you get it like that, Miss? Oh my god, what did you do to the cow? Turn it around, let me see. So
The meat is inside.
meat is inside.
Yes.
Okay, so what you use it for? Like soup and what? So,
You use it for soup or you use it and cook with bean.
Bean.
Cow head and bean.
that's the best recipe.
Yes, and rice and beans.
Okay. But to get it like this, you have to
Cut it up.
chop it up also.
Yes. We chop up the cow head and burn it in the fire
Okay.
and scrape it.
Okay.
It gives the best flavor like when you burn it like this.
Yeah. This is cow head. So you have cow head and cow foot.
Cow skin.
Cow skin. Okay. Tell me about the cow skin.
Well, you burn it just as the same thing.
Ah.
Doctor said it's good for the muscle in your body.
Yeah. The cow skin.
Yes.
Okay. And the best recipe is what now?
Make soup and also can cook with bean.
Bean.
Yes.
All right. What else you have?
This is the cow tongue.
Wow. The cow tongue.
You also eat it with bean.
Bean.
Yes.
All right. So this is so the best recipe is cow tongue and bean.
Yes.
All right. All right. Thank you. How things so far in the market?
When by sale,
Yeah. Well, generally, yeah.
I'm fine.
Okay. Good.
Sometimes you know it's slow and sometimes it's
Yes. Yes. How long are you in the market here, Miss Paulette?
all of 1972.
Yeah. This is the life.
Yes.
Okay. How long are you gonna continue?
Until I die.
God. All right. All the best. All
Because
the,
I don't clean it again. My son do it and burn it. So I only come to the market.
okay. So so you'd buy it and bring it.
Yes.
I'm prepare it and bring it here.
Yes.
Oh, so you have a regular supplier, so.
I go to Manchester and I go to Ramble. And
Okay.
Mr. Wright.
Okay. But all of this meat have to go through the public service.
Yes, inspector.
Inspector?
Test it. Yes.
Okay. Okay. So you would have done that and everything is good. All right. Well,
You have to test it before it comes.
I'm coming on.
Slaughterhouse.
All right. All the best, my friend. All the best. As you continue to take care of your bread. This is the
Yes,
bread.
man.
Your bread. All right. Listen. All right, my brother. Good man. I'm back. All right. So, how you doing, sir? Good. Good. What you have here?
Beef.
Beef. All right. Any special part of the beef?
It's a shoulder steak.
Shoulder steak. All right. I want to ask you a couple questions. Should I ask you or ask you? Ask you. Okay. So ask you. All right. So tell me what else you have. You have an offer here, my brother.
That is the bull private.
The bull private.
Yeah.
What do you mean the bull private?
The bull.
Okay. All right. And this I know this is the this is like the testicles.
Yeah.
Okay. Is there a reason why you highest it up? I mean,
Yeah, my people say we are a bull cow.
a bull cow.
Right.
Okay. So,
My grandfather who raised me as a butcher.
yeah.
And him start butcher his son butcher.
Yeah.
And then his son butcher.
Yeah.
And when them gone, me take over.
Oh, wonderful. All right. All the best. All the
Yeah,
best.
but from 1975, me a butcher for myself.
All right. All the best, man. All the best. Here. All right. So, nice lady. What's your name?
You want the full name, right name?
Yeah, man.
My name is Enid Jackson. I am the Jackson family.
Uh huh.
Yeah.
You're from the Jackson tribe.
Yes.
All right. So tell me what you have here on your stall.
I have castor oil,
Show me, man.
molasses.
Come and show me. Show me, man.
Yeah, man.
They say you're a young girl, so you're supposed to can't show.
Aye. Me have honey, molasses, me sell roots.
What kind of roots? What kind of, hold on, let me see the roots. Lift up the roots, let me see. What is that? What is in that?
Shani root, saucy perilla, medina, everybody in it.
Are you make it?
Yeah, me boil it.
Are you boil it?
Yeah.
Oh, what that good for?
Good to build your body.
Okay.
And your system, your blood and all those.
Okay, what else you have here?
Sell dish, pudding pan, coarse salt, rag.
Rag. You see, old McDonald had a farm almanac. Is this?
All right.
What is this? This is, although that's 20, that old already, but
yeah, but you know it's still.
it work. I mean,
yeah, some people
tell
come
you
and
when-
buy so can.
so you have sieve over here as well.
Yes.
You have sieve. You have clothes brush.
Yeah, right.
And what is? Oh yeah. What is this?
That's saving pan.
Nice.
Okay.
Nice little saving pan, man.
Okay.
How much you sell something like this for?
I sell sometimes $500.
500. I
Yes.
might have to go get one of this, you know. Might have to buy. What do you think about this shirt?
I last one left it, you know.
And last one. Alright, we're gonna get it from you.
Alright.
We're gonna buy it from you. Alright?
So I'm gonna hold it here, taking picture with it.
You know, man, we take it already, man. We take it. Alright, go tell me about over this side now. What you have over here?
We can't tell, but the grater is mine. This spoon is mine. That stove is mine.
This is okay. This is a coal stove, guys. Stove,
Right.
coal stove, the original coal stove.
Yes.
Alright? And you sell. Oh, this is what is this? A piece of yam.
Yeah, you know, so I could sweet and I go in my yard.
So you expect to sell that, mama?
No, but I broke up so I carry with me so I carry home. I not sell it, man.
Tell me about some of the bush that you have here now.
I have
herbs.
cinnamon leaf. I have shani root. I have guinea hen. I have all kind of different.
But you have to tell me. You have to tell,
mint.
you have to tell me visitors when them purpose of them. When them
We
good
have
for-
mint. You know, this kind of part is good for your body too. The guinea hen, good for fever. Can use. No problem.
Okay. Alright, so those are what you have. I see you have all breadfruit here, but breadfruit and pots and stuff.
No, you put that down.
Alright, excellent. Alright. And this now is
Coarse salt. Now I don't call it the sea salt.
what that good for?
You can use train your coconut tree, train your yard, you can cook it. Yeah.
Alright.
Thing you want it from me.
Excellent. How long you in the market?
Right, me tell you now. I'm in the market already. I tell you a good time now because I have raising children. I'm in the market here right now. Everybody is big people. The last one is 38-year-old.
Wow. That mean in about 50 years, man.
What that?
Are you still in there? When you leaving this? When you plan to leave the market?
But I give you that same time the feet to step up with us.
Alright.
Because I don't sick.
Yes.
I don't.
Alright, we're taking the saving pan from you
Okay.
as well. Blessings and thanks. All the best.
Okay.
Alright, sister. What's your name again?
Enid. Jackson.
Alright, Mr. Enid.
Otherwise, my name is Samuels.
Alright, good.
Okay.
So, how you doing?
Not too bad.
Good. What you doing now? What's that?
Crochet.
Crochet.
Yeah.
Old time crochet.
Yeah.
What you making? What is that? A mat?
No, not mat. Recipes.
A dresser piece. And how long that take you to make, sister? How long something like that take you to make?
Can't tell you because
Me can't tell you.
sometimes I work on it.
I know, me work on the street because I don't do it at home.
Okay.
Okay.
I can't do it at home, I put up my pants. Because when I sit down, I don't get up. Yeah, so I show this lady now how to do the pattern here.
Oh, you're a teacher?
Yes, so how to do the pattern here.
Oh,
Because she me for me do.
hold it up, see, hold it up to me,
All up for you.
please.
This the piece finished.
Okay. So that's a middle piece for the dresser.
Yeah.
Alright. Then they make the two side piece.
I make it two sides. If somebody by order it want to hold of them to stay one side. So them here now not finish it because I feel it not gone.
Oh, nice. So you're teaching her how to make it.
Yeah, she remember the pattern.
I remember
Okay.
the pattern and I
So
lose the pattern.
how much for something like that, sister?
5,000.
5,000, reasonable, because they do it by hand. And this take about what? 2, 3, 4, 5 days?
More than that, man.
More than that.
If me I do it night and day, me done it quick, but you can't bother do it at night.
So you have to love it.
Me I get old. Yes.
You have to love it.
Yeah, me love the
What do you
man.
mean you're getting old?
Me getting old. Me eyesight I go.
How long you in the market now?
3 years now. About 3 years now. Since my mother there. My mother dead.
Oh, you're young man. You're young in the business.
But me used to sell at school, so I know what business.
Okay. So tell me about some of the other stuff that you have here now. Like what you have on offer. So basically you take over your mother business.
Yeah.
Okay, what else you have here?
Sell pot. We sell castor oil. We sell honey. We sell natural oil. Where people then use rub their skin.
What do you mean natural oil?
You boil the coconut.
Oh, the coconut oil?
Oh yeah, real one. We then use with their skin. And we sell molasses. We sell grater. We sell Dutch pot. We sell plate. We sell knife. We sell fork.
So you make like the coconut oil, you make it?
Can't make it too.
Oh, but for the most part you buy it?
You buy it, yeah.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Alright, so sound like you're going to finish. Your mother pick up where your mother left off and you're going to finish. And somebody else pick up from you later on.
Nobody don't want to do it to the master. That's why I have to come here one sister, but she don't want to come neither.
So you have to do it?
Because to me, used to sell at school.
Yeah.
Yes.
So, but you'll be here for a while though. You'll be here doing...
Well, if God's will.
God's willing.
Yes.
All the best.
Yes.
Here?
Yes.
My guys, I'm running into a lovely lady here. She doesn't want her face to be on camera. That's okay. But she's going to tell me about what she has in the bucket. What is this?
Corn pork.
Corn what?
Corn pork.
What do you mean corn pork?
Pork, and we corn it.
How you do that?
Alright, we mix it with this in the salt. In the
Oh.
salt.
Oh, what is that? Let me see that. Oh, it's red. Benjamin's red
Yeah.
coloring.
I mix it in the salt.
Okay, the regular table salt.
Yeah, fine salt.
And you just rub up the pork in there.
No, you have to pour it in a hand and rub it.
Okay. And how long? Go ahead. Sorry. How this is to cure it, to preserve it.
Yes.
Right. And how long something like this lasts?
I call next week.
Next week.
Yeah.
So it lasts a whole week
Yeah,
and nothing wrong with it.
No.
You just keep it same way.
Yeah.
So what about like the liquids or the juices that are out there?
The salt. You see it here?
Hmm?
The water. See water here. See there?
Oh, so the water go to the bottom.
Yeah, and it cured.
And so you keep the water in there too?
Yeah, man.
Oh, but you have to be well salt, man, I assume,
Yes,
right?
yes, very spoiled.
Okay. And what is in this bucket?
Pork skin.
Pork skin. They have salted as well, right?
Yes. You
All right,
don't
and
put this in any water.
You don't put it in any water?
No.
And this lasts for a week as well?
Yes.
Wow. So how is the business? How is it? People still eat pork, huh?
Yeah, man.
You know, me hear a joke that when they have events, usually have events, pork is the first one to go. Nobody know eat pork, but pork always finish first.
Yes.
You ever hear that?
Yeah, man.
You believe that?
Yeah, man, that's true. They cook it with ackee, you know. This,
Okay, this start one here.
Yeah.
Aki. Oh, you recommend it with Aki. Nice. All right, so that's what you really do.
Yeah.
You don't sell nothing else, just the pork.
Good.
Oh, you sell some other stuff here too? Oh, that's some regular green grocery and stuff.
Yes.
Nice. All the best, ma'am. All right?
Yes, thank you.
Good. Run into a young man here. My guys, good to see a young man in the market business. Very unusual. What's up, man?
Too bad, brother.
What you doing?
I'm from Carlo.
Okay. Kalalu.
Yeah. Greens.
Green. What else you have here?
I have kale, pumpkin, I have scallion, pop chow.
I see you have the money right beside you, man.
Yeah, man, that's all it.
Pop chow. These are your products?
Most of it.
Oh, nice. So farm, same place in Westmoreland here?
No, Silver.
St. Elizabeth. The bread basket.
Yeah, south side.
Good. So kalalu and I see
Lettuce, cabbage,
a
purple onion, ordinary onion, garlic, sweet potato, beetroot, grape, apple, pumpkin, sliced tomato, small tomato, Irish.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You have a lot of stuff, man.
Yeah, man.
And mainly your products.
Few of them.
Yeah. Proud of you. How long are you in the market business?
You're there for mother, for more 88.
88. How long are you going to continue to be in there?
Boy, the light die.
Alright. So you're working out then?
Yeah, man, I'm self-employment.
Alright, wonderful. The best thing?
Yeah, my best thing, man.
Best
Best
thing.
thing,
Alright.
you man do.
Alright,
Live
bye-bye.
street and this, you know?
Yeah, man. Blessed love. All the best.
Yeah, man, good.
Name John.
John. Alright, what you have?
Herbal Man.
The Herbal Man. Alright, so tell me about what you have here in the market, my brother.
Alright, no, me have bitter.
Touch the man, show me guys them.
Me have bitter wood.
Uh-huh.
Me have 3-man strength.
Uh-huh.
Me have cashew bar. Me have Brennard. Me have Caxton with simple end. Me have
Simple end?
Yeah, simple end.
Uh-huh.
Me have round moon.
Uh-huh.
Saucy pearl.
Hold on a second. Touch them for me, please. I want to learn, you know.
Yeah, man.
That's the raw moon?
Yes, it's a sarsaparilla.
Uh-huh.
It's a red root.
Uh-huh.
This a search me at raw moon again.
Yeah.
Medina, strong back.
Uh-huh.
Strong back, guinea hen.
Yeah.
It's a ram goat regular.
Yeah.
It's a dead and weight maca.
Yeah. Oh, you mean Shima Maka?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
This a prawn.
Uh-huh.
It's a training root.
Yes.
It's a blood whisk.
Whoa.
And you have the two kind of sarsaparilla. And it's a dandelion. And this are bitters.
Yeah.
And this are roots.
Yeah.
This are the other kind of sarsaparilla.
You have everything, man.
Yeah, man.
Tell me about the roots. Tell me about the roots. I'm curious. Tell me about what is in that, the one they say with the root. What is in that?
This is medicinal where clean out the body and something. And the dandelion no good for your kidney and good for your lungs. This no tonic no will build up the immune system. Yeah, man.
Wow. And what you use to make the tonic? Are you make it, right?
Yeah, man.
What is in there?
All kind of herbs. Sarsaparilla, strong back, every one of the herbs. Them.
I may ask you to be true. They read, they work.
Yes, man.
People come back here and tell us they
Yes,
work.
man.
Eh?
Me have a bag there. Me have a bag of sarsaparilla left to send a Bluefields.
Brooklyn's.
Bluefields.
Bluefields.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, if people want to get in touch with you, how they can get in touch with you?
Well,
Because people go and watch. People are watching now from all
yeah,
over.
man. Well,
How they reach you?
reach me now. You want my number?
You can do it, man, if you want. You can put it.
Alright, my number now is 528 70 76.
Herb Man in the Sav Market. 876
Yeah.
528.
528 70 76.
Alright. Find him in the
Can find me Friday and Saturday.
Friday and Saturday in Sav Market. And it work.
Yes, man.
All the best, my brother. Oh, one more question. How long are you in the market here?
Well, in the market here about 30 years.
30 years. Sound like you went been there for another 32. Look.
Build all house out of this thing.
God of the glory. Love
Long
it.
time.
All right, my boss. All right, good.
Yes.
Market life.
Yes.
All right, guys. So this is
Claudette James.
Claudette in the Sav Market. What you have here?
I have lemon, custard apple, soursop.
That's what you. All right. So tell me about. So there's somebody watching now who have no idea what the soursop is or what it's good for. So what is it? What is it good for?
Well, soursop good for cancer, nerves. Soursop good for a lot of things.
Okay.
Build your body.
All right. What about the other one?
This is lemon.
What lemon good for?
Good for gallstone. Good for cancer also. A lot of things.
How you use it?
Alright, even the corona that is going on, you can just peel it and boil the skin.
What's going on? By the time people see this video, Corona gone a long time. But anyway, go ahead and tell me, yeah?
You can peel the lemon and boil the skin with turmeric, ginger, garlic, and the purple onion. Very good.
Okay. And that fix Corona.
Yes.
All right.
Because I did catch it already and I used that and better.
I see you have something else over here though. That rosemary?
Rosemary.
Yeah? You said the rosemary too?
Rosemary is good. Very good. Good for your nerves. Good for people that don't have any memory. And even children that taking
exam. Oh. Memory.
Yeah.
Don't let me need some of that, man. Alright, I'm going to take some.
Very good and good for your hair.
Oh.
It's like how you have
dry hair?
Yes.
Venetia going to need some for your hair.
Good for your hair, for sure.
Alright, good. So how you use it though?
Alright, like this now, you can put it with the olive oil and boil it.
Okay. Alright.
And use it on oil your hair scalp.
Alright, good.
So you're gonna buy one from me?
Yeah man, I'll buy. How long are you in the market? And how long are you gonna...
I'm here about 15 years.
Okay, 15. Reasonable. How long are you gonna be here?
Go home now.
You just come
Tired.
10. The man in this is saying there for 30 years. One lady was a 30 years and she's gonna be here for another 30.
30?
Yeah.
I'll go home.
Alright, all the best. Alright, yeah man, we're buying that from you man. No problem. What you selling, Miss Joyce?
I'm selling Irish potato.
Show me them.
Garlic here. I have garlic on my stall here.
Yes.
I have onions.
Yes.
I have rosemary.
We got some of that a while ago.
Yes, I have peas.
Yes.
And I have the busy.
The busy.
Yeah.
All right. So tell me a little about the busy and what it's good for.
The busy is good for drinking, for cleaning your
Cleanser.
poisoning.
Poison. Yeah.
Good for the corona.
Good for the corona. All right. Gentleman in the background.
The busy.
Okay. All right. All right. What chicken food? Mrs. Chicken food, you close it. What meat, man?
No, it's my lunch.
But what chicken food good for?
I go to soup. We take it and make soup and eat it for a lunch.
All right, that chicken food, guys. In Jamaica, we eat chicken food like that. What else you have?
I have tomato. We have over here saucy perilla.
All right. What's sauce perilla good for?
Cleanse the blood. It's a blood.
It's a cleanser as well. Okay. All right.
We have chini root, but we don't have. We have sweet potato.
Yes, yes. Is that over here? Is yours too?
No, this man.
Oh, the gentleman. Okay, the Rasta. You're Rasta?
Yes.
All right, big up the Rasta. Big up the Rasta, man. Are your stuff here, my brother?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Are you plant them?
No, buy.
Or buy and sell? Okay, big up Rasta, man. All right, guys. Let me tell you what is here. So that's sweet pepper here.
Pepper.
Yeah, that's pumpkin here.
Yes.
That's carrot here.
Yes.
Sweet potato here. Chocho here. Cucumber here. Tomato here. How me sound?
Yeah, it sounds good.
Cabbage here, man. You know, sound good here.
Yes,
Cabbage here.
yes,
Cabbage.
yes.
All right, over here now. Let me. Okay, there's turmeric here. Busy again, guys. This is the busy. The whole busy nut.
Yes.
Sugar cane here cut. Pumpkin Jamaican style. Plantain. Cut callaloo, my brother here cutting callaloo, up callaloo as well. You know, so lots of healthy, good, juicy, fresh Jamaican food on display here.
Ripe banana.
Ripe banana in the corner here. All right, big up my brother. Big up. Up. All right. How long you gonna be in the market, mommy? How long you in the market?
For the day.
How long so far? How long?
many years?
How many years have you been in the market?
Over some 30 years.
30 years.
Yes, God raised all my children here.
Oh, you raise all the children through the market.
Yeah.
So the market work.
It works.
It works.
Pay a school fee because I have one was going to Venture High School. And I pay a school fee from the market.
To God with the glory.
I up to used to work with the parish council here.
Yeah.
Yes.
That work.
Work.
It work. How long you gonna be in here? How much more?
Will I exist here?
Yeah. How long you?
I'm gonna come out now.
You coming?
I'm gonna leave.
Why you coming out now?
I'm gonna rest myself now.
Who tell us you need rest? You
No, I want to go to my church. I don't want to go to hell.
See now, you can't see the
Yes,
church, mama.
but I will have more time.
More time for God now.
Yes.
All right. To God
Night and day.
All right. To God with the glory. All right.
Yes.
I love your vibes.
Things are done.
Yes, every time. Bless us.
Time now for me to go.
All right. All the best. All right?
Yes.
Blessings. Miss.
Thank you.
Miss Joy, you say?
Joyce.
Miss Joyce. Big up Miss Joyce in the market, guys. All right, guys. So this is a little different. These are natural plants. And this is Miss
Paula Savory.
Paula Savory.
Yes.
Tell me about the plants you have here. You're in the market, but you're selling plants.
Yes, natural plants. And I do vegetable also sometimes. I do a little farming too.
Oh, cool.
And I also sell clothes.
Clothes. All right. Well, tell me about the plants that you have here now.
So you call this the donkey ears plant, otherwise Alicacia.
Alicacia.
Yes.
Okay.
And this one now.
So ideally where would you put a plant like that?
You put it on the veranda.
Okay.
Cool place because it don't love sun.
All right. All right.
And this is the fern.
Okay.
No, but I want to name it, but me know. So this are the this is the teddy bear fern.
Okay.
And
you mean the nice exotic?
Yes.
Bossy one. All right.
And this one is cactus.
All right.
I have this. Them here at 10 o'clock.
10 o'clock. All right. But this is like a wild plant, man.
No, it's not wild. It's not wild. No. I'm telling you.
Okay, tell me about this one.
All right, this is a begonia.
Okay.
I have two different types of begonia here. Yes.
All right.
Two different types. They bloom.
Okay, cool. And you have a little tomato.
Yes.
How long are you in the market now?
Let's see. About probably putting here 5 years now.
5 years?
Yeah.
And you're doing this, selling the same things?
I used to sell clothes first.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. When are you focusing on plants?
Yes, but I still do the clothes. I'm out there with a tent every Tuesday. And up there by the the post office. I'm there like every Saturday.
Okay.
So I kind of budget me schedule.
The time, okay. Well, actually, persons are watching now. If they're interested in getting, contacting you for some of your stuff, is there a way they can reach you?
Yeah, and I do these too. Let them see them.
Okay.
And this.
All right. What do you call it again? The towel?
The towel cement pot.
Towel cement pot.
Yes,
Yeah, tell them, man. Tell them how they can contact you. 876.
865-2263.
All right. How long, girl, will you be in the market?
How long?
Girl.
How longer?
Yeah.
Well, as long as God give me the health and strength.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. All the best.
Yes.
All right. What do you have on the card here, my friend?
Coconut, sweet potato, onion,
Uh-huh.
cucumber, carrot, tomato, cabbage, onion.
Yes. So hold on a second now. So assume some my viewers they don't know nothing about what is on the card. So just show them now.
Coconut.
Coconut, yeah.
Cabbage.
Cabbage, yes.
Irish.
Yes.
Red peas.
Red peas, yes.
Beetroot.
Beetroot.
Onion.
Tell me a little about the beetroot though. What is the beetroot good for?
Good for everything. Good for your blood count.
Okay. So if you
You
have
have low blood count.
low blood count,
You blend it.
build up.
Build up it.
Blend it up with what?
Yeah, blend it with. You can blend it with ginger. Beetroot and ginger. You can blend it with carrot.
Okay. And your coconut, of course. Of course, the tomato.
Yeah, tomato.
All right.
You can make tomato juice.
All right. All right. I see you have eggs behind you.
Yes.
Yeah, man. All right.
Carrot
Okay.
and sweet potato.
Awesome. For the pudding.
Yeah. And yam.
All right. All the best.
All right.
All the best. See, you say this is what you do every day here.
Not every day.
Not every day.
Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
Thursday, Friday, Saturday. They find you at the market.
Yeah.
Now, running into something interesting, guys. This is
Low cost.
low cost.
Call it thinking toe.
Is it thinking toe or stinking toe?
Stinking toe.
Sting, literally.
Yeah, stinking toe.
But people love it.
Yes, make nice drinks.
How you do that?
You just use warm water, take it off the seed, bring it out. With the oats, the lasco, the dragon.
And I eat that.
Sit up and you're good to go.
I eat that.
Yeah.
Tell me about some of the other stuff you have here.
I have nice plantain. I have some herbals here. Also quash.
Quash. You have everything, man.
Yeah.
All right. So you have the regular here, which is like the pumpkin, the banana, the
Yes,
the
soursop and pine, turmeric,
soursop, turmeric, yeah, sweet potato, papaya, and all this stuff, and chocho, and then you have the cocoa, good old cocoa, guys. But I noticed some other stuff here, like they have pimento too, pimento and busy here. What is this now?
That's
a corn
here.
Corn here. Okay, corn here. Well, you have everything. Strong back sarsaparilla. All right, and you have, what is this again?
Quash.
The quash. So this is a quash, quash, guys. How you use a quash? Like cucumber? Like cucumber, okay. All right. How long are you in the market?
10 years.
10 years. You're a young man.
Yeah.
How longer?
10 years ago, 12 years now.
How more longer we're gonna be in here? Another 50?
I don't know. I don't know.
But it's working out for you.
Yeah.
Yeah. You can go on. Now we give thanks. We give thanks.
Right.
All the best. Big up yourself.
All right.
You want me to capture that?
Oh, you mean man, them say a real thing I said.
Alright, so what do you name?
I never my name.
Neville, what you have?
Yeah man, me have pimento powder.
Show me man.
Pimento powder. Turmeric. Cinnamon powder. Nickel and dandelion powder. Yes, them they are going around the place and all, and not in the business same way.
Alright.
Yes, hear what I say?
Yeah.
Them I want to use it, you for fitters, meat kind, boil and drink cream the blood.
Yeah.
Pimento powder, any coal and gas take you up. You don't need to get no angels or nothing this boy. Really.
Hold on, tell me about that.
The pimento powder, any coal and gas they put on your stomach.
Yeah.
You boil this and drink it.
Yeah.
Meat kind,
Boil it, just put it in the water like tea, like coffee.
Yeah, and drink it. Any gas and cold you take up
Yeah,
there.
yeah.
Yeah, you just drink that straight without no sweetness same way.
Yeah.
You can remember say a natural thing, may cook up meat kind.
Yeah.
And everything same way.
That's the same way.
Right. Remember say turmeric powder.
Yeah.
Anything like work, upset stomach, burn
Yeah.
a stomach,
Yeah.
poor circulation.
Yeah.
And everything straight. When you use the turmeric, you must use turmeric, ginger and garlic and cinnamon powder.
In a one.
Yeah, so any upset stomach,
Yeah.
burn a stomach, poor
Yeah.
circulation,
Yeah.
them thing there, and
Yeah.
you get rid of any cholesterol and them things straight
yeah,
for a human being.
Alright. Here me go big yo. May I ask you?
Yeah.
World of Watch. If somebody want to get some of your stuff, how they can reach you?
Yeah,
your
man.
phone number.
Yeah.
876.
Yeah. 879 55 38.
Alright, 876, 879.
Yeah, 38. 38, yeah.
Alright, say it one more time. 876.
Yeah.
Huh?
So 879 55 38.
Make up yourself. What then call her? What then call her?
Herbalist.
The Herbalist.
Relax,
Alright,
yeah.
alright. Pick up yourself, pick up yourself.
God bless.
Guys, I'm just outside the market. Run into a gentleman here. Who is this?
Yeah, this is Chief Charlie, original known as Wayne Wonder.
Wayne Wonder, what you have here? Tell me what you have here, my brother.
I have everything selling at a low prices like melon. These are the best one. Jamaican that has the man, them we call them, this one the Viagra for the man. Yeah, that's the Viagra for the man.
Yeah.
Over there we got lemon. And that one you call chocho.
Yes.
These are the best to make the soup.
Yeah.
And we have the original pumpkin here too.
Yes, yes.
And we have the lovely sweet yam here.
Original sweet yam.
Yeah, we make the soup.
Original sweet yam, alright.
And this is the Jamaican onion. We got it in St. Elizabeth.
Yes.
And you can find over here, you find the sweet pepper.
Yes.
That is the meat product.
Yes, yes.
And now we have the favorite things what you call papa.
Yeah.
That is the natural fruit juice.
Yeah, yeah.
And over here, you can see that if you look, that one we call a cantaloupe.
Is that Jamaican?
Yeah, that is Jamaican cantaloupe.
Oh, cool,
Yeah.
cool.
That is the right one. And over here you have the string bean, good for the pressure also, and good. And right now you have this one. This one we call it the original jackfruit, Jamaica jackfruit.
Jackfruit.
Yeah,
Jackfruit.
in
Wow.
Jamaica,
All right,
jackfruit.
jackfruit.
And over here you got this one, what they call it, apple. Jamaican apple.
OTA apple.
OTA apple. Yeah, and over here now you got the ripe bananas that are nice product.
Yeah, man.
Jamaican product also.
You have everything, man.
Everything for sure, man.
Oh, you still have more over here?
Yes, man. And we have soursop, that is the national one, very ripe one.
Yeah,
juice.
yeah.
And we have the jelly coconut, we're good for the heart.
Yeah.
And we have the pineapple over here, or the next one.
Yeah.
Dasheen also, that's good. And we have breadfruit, Jamaican breadfruit.
Breadfruit, a breadfruit here, guys.
Yeah,
that's a breadfruit
that's
there.
The breadfruit
This
there.
is the
Dasheen
here.
Jamaican here. And you have the Jamaican yellow yam.
Original yellow yam for the soup.
Original for the soup.
Yeah.
Also. And we have another original one we call the Renta.
Renta yam.
Yeah, this one we call it Renta.
That's the old bush one.
Old bush one. That's the one there.
All right.
That's so far.
Big up yourself, big up yourself.
Man, every time you come over here, now you get on the pop chow. You're so far, and you have pop chow, and you have the scallion over here. That is a lovely product also. And we have the cabbage, Jamaican cabbage well. So
big up yourself.
everything big up, man.
All right.
We have the cucumber here, now. This one good, now left it out, now this one good for the juice too, now.
All right.
Yeah, man, that big up yourself for juice, man. When you make that juice, it's good for the pressure.
Yeah.
Yeah, very cucumber juice.
All right, well, let me ask you then.
Yeah.
Pick up yourself.
Aye.
Brother, you have everything here, man.
Yes,
So some of them you plant or you buy everything?
Some of them plant and some we buy.
All right. So if
Original.
there are persons who are watching who are interested in getting some of your products,
Yeah,
how they can
man.
reach you?
Yeah, man, I'm right here, Grassy Street, man. You get 4 Georges Street right in Savanna here.
Okay.
You're original.
All right, right on the
Original, right on the busy street.
right on the street.
Busy street.
All right.
Great Georges.
All right. Big up yourself. Big up yourself. You have some customers. You have a customer coming here now. That's it, guys. The South Market tour. What do you make of it? I'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment down below. And remember, if you've not yet subscribed to my channel, I invite you to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell notification. I do a lot of videos capturing stuff like these. The real Jamaican. I don't want you to miss any of that. So, hit that subscribe button and tap the bell notification. That way, you'll be updated on all my latest videos. This is The Real Jamaica.